Hi, my name's James Lowe and I'm the UK Sales Manager for Aquaclean Fabrics. We're creating this video today to show you what Aquaclean does and the difference between Aquaclean and other easy care products, and also the best way to sell the Aquaclean in store to the consumers. So first of all, what is the difference between Aquaclean and other easy care products? Easy Clean and Easy Care products, they take the fabric and they spray a protection on top. That protection acts like an umbrella. The problem is, when the stain gets through, it's very, very difficult to get out. Aquaclean has two ingredients. One is the stain repellent, so it stays on top, and we have a stain release ingredient. So the stain release ingredient is almost like the old washing up liquid adverts, where the mum would put the plate in the bowl and lift it up, the plate would be clean. Aquaclean works the same way. When the water hits the stain, it reacts with our ingredient and lifts the stain up. So Aquaclean works as a stain release technology. We have these cleaning kits that we can give you in store to show you how to show the consumer how the Aquaclean works. We have some UK stores that have a 90% conversion rate just by the sales team using the Aquaclean cleaning kits. It means that you will sell a higher price sofa, larger margin, and the most important thing, an easy sale. Please order your cleaning kits through your head offices, and thank you so much again for your time. If you have any queries at all, please email me on the email address below. Thank you again. Bye.